Hi friends, welcome to the Olymtech channel. We are the professional screw air compressor and air dryer factories from China. Has more than 17 years experience in air compressor system manufacturing and exporting. Beside me, it's 4-in-1 screw air compressor. Its complete set includes screw air compressor, air tank, air dryer, and line air filter. We can offer power range from 7.5 kW to 22 kW. Pressure can make 8 bar, 10 bar, and 16 bar. Why we recommend? There are 4 reasons as follows. Firstly, it's 4-in-1 type, no need installation, plug and use. Secondly, 8 bar or 10 bar shoots for most of the factories, and 16 bar shoots for the laser cutting machines. Thirdly, clean air to protect your equipment. And at last, stable, reliable, no noise and energy saving. We export compressor to more than 74 countries around the world. We guarantee our product's quality. Contact us right now to get more information.